Hey guys, Pita Pit got a new menu a couple days ago, and I'm going to give my review of the Mean Bean Pita. So, here it is. They also got new pitas, so it's a little bit more textured, softer. It's really nice. So the Mean Bean is their chicken breast and black bean combined together. The black bean is delicious on its own. It's got a little bit of corn and other vegetables in it, and it has about 11 grams of protein for serving. And the chicken breast has about 20 as well. Chicken breast is very lean, high protein content. I also got hummus, green pepper, onions, spinach, lettuce, banana peppers, jalapeno peppers, cheddar cheese, and their ancho chipotle sauce, as well as their new Caribbean spice that they got for the Mean Bean. So I'm gonna let you guys know how this is. I really like hummus. It gives it a nice texture to it, mixed with the ancho chipotle sauce and a bit of the spice. Nice combination. So you can see the black bean with some chicken breast, all the vegetables. There's a black bean right there. The black bean pairs deliciously with the chicken. Got a little bit of a kick to it with the sauce and all the vegetables. Amazing. It's part of their Creation Nation. It comes, you can get it pre-made with set vegetables, or what I do is I just choose the vegetables myself. The only difference being is the pre-made one had tomatoes in it. I get no tomatoes, so black bean, chicken, vegetables. Yeah, this is a fantastic pita. I am very impressed with the flavor of this. The black bean is amazing. It does pair very well. Overall, I would give this pita a 9 out of 10. It is everything that I wanted in a pita. I'd never even thought about combining black bean with chicken, but wow, it is really good. If you haven't already hit the subscribe button, please do so below, and I will see you guys next time.